Are you dreaming of revamping your home in 2025 without breaking the bank? Well, you're in luck. Affordable home decor doesn't have to mean sacrificing style or quality. With a little creativity and smart shopping, you can create a space that's uniquely yours, cozy, and undeniably chic. In this video, we're sharing 5 affordable home decor ideas for 2025 that look anything but cheap. Whether you're moving into a new place or just looking to refresh your current space, these tips will inspire you to think outside the box and elevate your home style game. Gone are the days of boring beige walls. In 2025, it's all about adding personality to your space with statement walls. But don't worry, you don't need an expensive designer to achieve this look. Peel and stick wallpaper has become a game changer. It's affordable, easy to apply, and comes in a variety of patterns, from bold geometrics to serene nature-inspired designs. If wallpaper isn't your thing, try creating an accent wall with paint. A single can of high-quality paint in a trending color, like earthy terracotta or calming sage green, can transform your room. Stencils or painter's tape can help you create unique designs, like stripes or arches, for an artistic flair that looks custom-made. One of the best ways to stay on budget while decorating is to explore thrift stores, flea markets, and even online marketplaces like Facebook Marketplace or Craigslist. You'll be surprised by the hidden gems you can find, from vintage furniture to unique decor pieces. Don't be afraid to upcycle your finds. A coat of fresh paint, some new hardware, or a little DIY upholstery can breathe new life into old pieces. Upcycling not only saves you money, but also gives your home a personal touch that's impossible to replicate with mass-produced items. In 2025, space-saving furniture is trending like never before. Multifunctional pieces are perfect for those living in smaller spaces or anyone looking to maximize their home's functionality. Think ottomans that double as storage, sofa beds, or extendable dining tables. Look for budget-friendly options from brands known for innovative furniture design or even secondhand stores. Adding multifunctional furniture doesn't just save space, it adds an intentional and thoughtful vibe to your home. The secret to making any space feel expensive? Texture. Layering different textures adds depth and richness to a room without the need for pricey decor. Start with soft textiles like faux fur throws, velvet cushions, or chunky knit blankets. Pair these with natural materials like woven baskets, wooden furniture, or jute rugs. You can also experiment with metallic accents. Gold or brass details such as picture frames, candle holders, or table lamps can instantly elevate your decor. Best of all, you can find many of these items at discount stores or DIY them using spray paint. By the way, if you're enjoying these tips so far, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Give this video a thumbs up and share your favorite home decor hacks in the comments below. Let's keep the conversation going. Nothing breathes life into a home like greenery. Indoor plants are an affordable way to enhance your decor while improving air quality and creating a calming atmosphere. In 2025, the trend leans toward low-maintenance plants like pothos, snake plants, and succulents, perfect for beginners. Get creative with your planters. Use thrifted pots, baskets, or even DIY some unique holders using macrame or painted terracotta. Group your plants at varying heights for a dynamic display that adds a natural touch to your home. Revamping your home doesn't have to cost a fortune. With these affordable 2025 home decor ideas, you can create a space that's stylish, inviting, and uniquely yours. From statement walls to thrifted treasures and lush greenery, the possibilities are endless when you think creatively and shop smart. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more home decor inspiration. Like this video and let us know in the comments which idea you're excited to try. Thanks for watching, and here's to making your home beautiful in 2025.